Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Students, today we will do exercise 9.5 question number 4 from chapter 9 algebraic expression and identities. Here in this question we will do the simplification, simplify. By using identities we will do the simplification of the given sums. As in question number 3, 1 and 2 we have done in yesterday's video. Now question number 3, 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n whole square. We know that here a minus b whole square identities we have to use, and then after plus, then here a plus b whole square, some another numbers are there. We will use a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square's identity. Do you remember what is this? A square, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here we will use this identity, and in this case we will use a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Keep it in your mind that a square and b square plus in both the cases, only 2ab is minus when it is a minus b whole square, and 2ab is plus when it is a plus b whole square. Okay. Now we will start to solve the sums now. 7m minus 8n whole square. So as because it is a, it is our a and it is our b. So what I will do now, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus 2ab, 2 into 7m into 8n plus 8n whole square. In the next sum, what I will do, a plus b whole square. So this plus sign I have to write it. Then 7m square, that is our a square plus 2 into 7m into 8n plus 8n whole square, that is b square plus 8n whole square. Now you have to find the value. 7 7 ja 49, 7 7 ja 49 m square minus 7 7 ja 49 whole square, 49 m square, 2 into 7m into 8n. So 56 into 2, 1 1, 2 mn. Up to here it is completed. Now 8n square, 8 8 is 64 n square. Now for the next part, plus sign was there, so this plus sign is coming here. 7 7 is 49 m square plus 1 1 2, 7 into 2 into 8 mn plus 64 n square. Now 112 mn plus and 112 mn, here it is plus, it is minus, we can cancel it out. After that only 49 m square plus 49 m square, like terms we need to add here, and then 64 n square, 64 n square, this is 64 n square and plus 64 n square. You have to add all this. Then 49 into 49, 998, 1 carry 4, 4, 8 and 9, 98 m square plus 4, 4, 8, 6, 6, 12 n square. And this is the answer of this sum. Nothing very tough, only you have to use the identities only. A minus b whole square, and just write whatever is coming. Here it is a plus b whole square, write whatever it is coming. Then afterwards like terms, if it is positive and negative, same number you can cancel, and the remaining you need to add. Next sum, question number 5, 2.5 p minus 1.5 q minus 1.5 p minus 2.5 q. Again a minus b whole square and a minus b whole square we will use, but here a is 2.5 p and b is 1.5 q. Here a is 1.5 p minus 2.5 q is the b. So as usual we will do a minus b whole square. So a square 2.5 p whole square, a square minus 2 into 2.5 p, this is our a, into 1.5 q plus 1.5 q whole square. Then minus sign is there, so be careful. Use another bracket to find the value of this one. We can use another bracket because after completing this expansion, we have to change the value because minus is outside. So be careful. Use another bracket to find the write the values. 1.5p whole square, that is a square, minus 2 into 1.5p into 2.5q into 2.5q plus 2.5q whole square. Okay. Now 2.5 into 2.5, you know that when we are multiplying these two numbers, we will ignore this point, and you know that when 2.25 into 25, 625, and for the two places of decimal will move from left side from right side to the two places of the number. So in the answer, it is the decimal is coming after from the right side two places. So 6.25 p square because of this one. Now minus, it is 2.2 into 2.5 into 1.5. So it is 2 into 2.5 means 5. 2.5 into 2, that means 5.0. So I am writing 5 into 1.5 q, 5p and 1.5 q, p is there. So 5p into 1.5 q plus 1.5 q into 1.5 q, multiplying 1.5 q into 1.5 q square 1.25 2.25, 15 into 15 225, point is there, so q square, result will be 2.25 q square. The same way you will do here also, but the minus sign is there, so we use second bracket again. 1.5 on 2.25 p square, 2.25 p square. Okay. Now we are writing this one, this second minus, then second bracket 1.5 p square, that means 1.5 into 1.5 225 point decimal. So 2.25 p square multiply 2 into 1.5, 2 into 1.5 into 2.5 q. So 3p, 2 into 15 means 30, and one point is there, that is 3p into 2.5 q, and 2.5 into 2.5 6.25 q square. After this, what we will do now, students, check. Now you have to make it slightly condensed. 6.25 p square minus 7.5 pq, 15 into 1.5, 7.5 pq plus 2.25 q square, then minus inside the bracket 2.25 p square minus 3 into 2.5 means 7.5 pq plus 6.25 q square, second bracket close. Now we will open this bracket. 6.25 p square, 6.25 p square minus 7.5 pq plus 2.25 q q square. Now as the minus sign is outside, so all the sign inside the bracket will be changed. Be careful. 2.25 p square plus 7.5 pq minus 6.25 q square. Have you seen? Minus, then it was minus, it has become plus, and minus is a minus minus plus minus plus minus. Now the same terms, like terms. Now we have to find out the like terms. See 7.5 pq, you can cancel with 7.5 pq plus 7. Here 6.25 p square and 2.25 p square. So if you subtract this 6.25 minus 2.25, both are p square, so they are like terms. So I can write 6.25 p square minus 2.25 p square, and if you subtract this you will get 4.00, we will get 4.00, that is 4 only. So afterwards I will write the result. Now we are arranging according to their like terms. 2.25 q square minus 6.25 q square. When we have we will subtract this, then we will get 4 p square, because 0.25 gone, plus 2.25 minus 6.25, that means minus 4 q square. The sum is slightly long, but these are very useful when you are practicing it. You will be confident when you will see that your result is coming nicely, as you will be then you will be full of confidence about your minus and a minus, using your identities and using your sign, whatever. If it is outside, then you have to change the values. In this way, like terms, all these practice work, you can do this in this kind of sums. Now question number 7. Here m square minus n square m whole square plus 2m cube n square. Simplification. So whatever is there, you will use identities and open this. M square, this is our a and this is our b. This is a and this complete was b. So m square, that's a square. A square minus 2 into a. A is our m square. A into b. B is n square m. N square m. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. B square means n square m whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, then the whatever it is given here 2m cube n square will be right. Next, m square whole square, that is m to the power 4 minus 2 m square and another m is there. So m cube n square, m cube n square plus n to the power 4 m square, and here it is given already 2 m cube n square. See, this is minus 2m cube n square and this is plus 2m cube n square. We can cancel it. After cancelling it, what is left? m4 plus n to the power 4 m square. Okay. So I hope if you practice this kind of sums, it will be very easy for you. Practice it, students. Thank you.